Welcome to my channel Bella, where you can learn Bulgarian language with me, Bistra. And let's see what we are going to learn today. We know that in Bulgarian language, verbs change their endings depending on the person. First person, second person, I, you, he, she, and so on. Let's look at this verb. Want, искам. I want, аз искам. I have omitted the pronouns, but we follow this way. Искам, I, искам. You, искаш, ти искаш. He, she, it, той, тя, то, иска. We, ние, искаме. You, plural, искате. They, те, искат. Another verb, to be, съм. I am, аз съм. You are, ти си. He, she, is, е. We are, сме. You are, сте. They are, са. Now, we don't have the pronoun, so you can focus on the verb. Съм, си, е, сме, сте, са. The verb is changing according to the person. There is no ending about masculine and feminine. The verb is just changing according to the person. But then what happens with this one? Питал, питала, питало, питали. This is the verb ask in past tense. Питал, that's masculine. Питала, feminine. Питало, neuter. Питали, plural. So why is there difference for this one? I'm not sure. I can't answer this question, to be honest. The verb that ends in l is changing its ending, and depending on the gender, it can be masculine, l, feminine, la, neuter, lo, and for plural, li. And of course, this verb, or this kind of verbs, are not on their own. So, питал, you can say, аз съм питал for a man, аз съм питала for a woman. For neuter, we can say то е питало. Plural is ние сме питали. So, you see this verb is combined with the verb to be. And the verb to be is changing depending on the person, I, you, he, she, and so on, while the main verb, in this case, питал, asked, is changing the ending depending on the gender. And we translate this verb with present perfect in English. I have asked, you have asked, and so on. Let's look at another verb. Бил съм, I have been. Била съм for feminine. Било е, били сме. And we change the stress. Били сме. Бил съм, била съм, било е, били сме. If I have to make a sentence, I can say бил съм студент. I've been a student. Бил съм студент for a man. Била съм студентка for a woman. Била съм студентка. Било е студено в планината вчера. It's been cold in the mountain yesterday. Or in this case, you will translate it with past tense. It was cold in the mountain yesterday. But the thing is, било е студено в планината вчера. You use this tense when you're saying about something, you're giving some sort of information that you haven't witnessed. You haven't been there. You heard that probably it was cold, but you haven't been there. That's why you say било е студено в планината вчера. Били сме в Китай. We've been to China. Били сме в Китай. That's how you use this tense with l, la, lo, li, where the verb, the main verb ending in l, changes its ending depending on the gender. I hope you grasp the idea and you won't find it very difficult. You just need to get used to the idea. What do you think about this? Leave your comments down below. I hope you liked the video and found it helpful as always. So please don't forget to like it, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. That's all from me for now. Довиждане. Goodbye.